chance to speak directly to your opponents in this race, what message would you give them? And how do you plan to keep this campaign focused on the issues rather than personal attacks?
Thank you so much. Actually, I was going to suggest that you bring my competitors here and we debate.
Sure.
You call them. Some of them will not turn up. I'm telling you this. They will switch off their phones. I know them. Thank you so much. The message I have for my competitors is some of them have been in parliament before, others are aspiring to come. Let's play it fair. Let's avoid personal attacks. Let's avoid non-issues. Let's talk about issues which affect our people. We have challenges in my constituency. We have water problems. So many villages haven't had access to clean water. We have issues like electricity. We have issues of poor roads. We have unemployment among youth. We have women struggling to feed their families. We have single mothers struggling to find school fees for their children. Let's talk about those issues. Let's talk about NJERU as a person. Let's not attack personalities. But again, you know, discipline also plays a big part in somebody, almost 80%. So okay. if you're not disciplined, the voters will discipline you. Okay. So I would suggest my fellow competitors, let's exercise maximum discipline.
Thank you.
And then people will choose the best candidate.
Thank you.
Person who has values, somebody who has qualities of good leadership. And I think it's only Caesar KALEMA among them.
Thank you. Ms. NAMWASE, what message would you like to send to your opponents in this race? And how would you intend to maintain a campaign that focuses on issues, not personality?
Thank you very much. First of all, I will encourage them or talk to them and inform them that we should always give chance for the choices of our supporters. They should not bring corruption this time in voting. Then another thing I can tell them is that we should work together for the best of or for the betterment of our community. We should be people who fears the Creator, and we live in a spiritual life. Because once you inside you or in you, you have what they call a region, things can always move smoothly. And when there is the region in a person, there is development, because you can always endure, you can always be friendly to one another, and something you can look at to be as in a problem, it can easily be solved within a few time, and also within a simple way. So I encourage my opponents that we should look at the choice of the people, and also we work for the betterment of our community. Thank you.
Kachira Tororo Malaba, asante kusikiliza. Mr. ISIKO, Ivan, some of your opponents, by the way, claim that they have stronger credentials or better plans than you. What is your response to them? And how do you plan to prove to voters that you're the best or better choice?
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Morgan. First of all, I would like to inform my electorates that I'm a teacher by profession. That's one. And also, I'm a public administrator. So I did public administration. So when we talk of public administration, it means I know how to deal with the administration, to represent my people. Then I will also have to inform my electorates or the voters of JINJA Southwest that it's all not about credentials, because I know very much that ISIKO Ivan has the ability to represent the people of JINJA Southwest. So who told you that he has more credentials than me? I'm posing a question to you.
I said some of your opponents.
Like who?
You know them.
Because some of them even failed to represent the people for more than 10 years. So if you tell me that some of my competitors, they are telling me that they have more credentials than me, that is a lie. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Because for me, I've never been in parliament, so you cannot compare someone who has not. Who has
they
never
claim
been
they have better credentials.
Those are false claims.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Ivan ISIKO. Now I want to bring in Bishop Alex EKORO from BUNYA East, and the very last question for this session. Politics often gets tense, but at the end of the day, you all serve the same community. What message of unity or fair competition would you share with your fellow candidates from BUNYA East?
Thank you very much. If I got a chance to meet my opponents and we are able to discuss such a point, first I would want to understand why they come. Having a leader like me who can do almost everything. Because for the sector of women, we have managed to put skilling center almost in every parish, and the women are enjoying the privileges.
Okay.
So I would first want to understand the reason why they come. So after I understand their reason why they come, I would also want to discuss with them about peace. I don't think there is any reason why candidates should fight or cause the constituents to fight each other. Because by the end of it all, you send me to Kampala. You have fought your neighbor. You have hit your friend. How will you look at them in the time after election?
Okay.
So I would advise that we go through this period peacefully, without fighting, and I think that will be a better way to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kale, alikuuliza zena ndisusayo Chingereza chetuvamu session ye mujiwulire abantu bange abenjeru namwe bantu bebulyanku yegawo wonna nsubira muwulide session ye Chingereza abebugabula muliyo zena ndikubalengera muli kumbona zena ndikubabona so mpigano n'abeidinda mwena ndikubabona mwikirize ntole obakabono katono yogera ku nimwino mu taxi mu mubaire mu costa mwe muli ku mulima we muli iwali ali ku nimiro wenka wena funa ku akasera akafumintirizamu ku session je tuvamu bwendira nja kwikiriza okuba isimu otese owagire obe ku nicho endo okutegere no bobe ku kyeyongerako